You are reciting the glorious Quran, but you don't know what does this symbol mean. What about this one? That one? This one? All of these will be known in this video. Let's start. Actually, the Quran has many symbols, and in this short video we will talk about most of them. The first symbol we'll talk about is the baby Jim, which is found on the top of many words, as in Allah's statement, وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبِ. At the end of the word al-Maghrib, on top of it, you will find a baby Jim, which refers to that you are allowed to stop on this word or to connect it with the following word. So it is 50-50%. You are allowed to stop and also you are allowed to complete. Then we'll move to the horizontal meme, or the meme which is written horizontally, which informs us that we must stop on this word, or we have to stop on this word, because if we don't stop, the meaning will be different totally and the listener will understand a different meaning. As in Allah's statement, Subhanahu an yakuna lahu walad. At the end of the word walad, you will find a horizontal meme, so you must stop on this word. Now we'll move to the article la, or the baby la, which is found also on the top of many words, as in Allah's statement, وَلَئِنِ اتَّبَعْتَ أَهْوَاءَهُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ مَا جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ. At the end of the word al-ilm, you will find la. So this means that you mustn't stop on this word, or you aren't allowed to stop on this word, because if you stop, the meaning will be also different. So they are vice versa. The horizontal meme is vice versa with la. Now we'll move to qili. Qili means that it is preferred and recommended to stop. It is 80% preferred to stop, or 70%, as in Allah's statement, إِنَّ اللَّهَ رَبِّي وَرَبُّكُمْ فَاعْبُدُوهُ. At the end of the word فَاعْبُدُوهُ, you will find the symbol qili on the top. So this means that it is preferred to stop. But if you connect, there will be no problem at all. So now we'll move to the vice versa with qili, which is sili. Sili means that it is preferred to connect the words together. But if you stop, there will be also no problem at all. So it is 80% preferred to connect the words together. But if you stop, there will be no problem, as in Allah's statement, وَآتُوا الْيَتَامَى أَمْوَالَهُمْ. At the end of the word أَمْوَالَهُمْ, you will find a silly symbol, so it is preferred to connect. But if you stop, there will be no problem. Now we'll move to the letter sin. I want you please to focus here. If you find the sin with the letter sad, if you find the sin on the top, you have to pronounce the sin. As in Allah's statement, وَاللَّهُ يَقْبِضُ وَيَبْسُطُ. So here you should pronounce the sin, which is because it is on the top. But if you find the sad on the top and the sin on the bottom, you should pronounce the sad, as in Allah's statement, أَمْ هُمُ الْمُسَيْطِرُونَ. But if you find the sin without the letter sad, so here it will mean that you should make a silence for a while without a breath. And it is found in I think 5 positions in the glorious Quran. As in Allah's statement, كَلَّا بَلْ رَانٍ. After bal, you will find the small sin. So you should make a silence for a while without a breath, as I have made. Also in the Allah's statement, وَقِيلَ مَنْ رَاقٍ. If you notice, I made a silence without a breath. So this is the sin if you find it without sad. Now we'll move to the standing meme. If you see the standing meme on the top of the noon and with the tanween, it will mean that you have to change the noon pronunciation and the tanween into a meme. Focus orally only. You will pronounce it only orally, because the writing form remains as it is. There will be no changing in the writing form with the noon sakina. I will not change the noon writing into a meme. No, will remain the noon as it is, but we will put a small meme on the top to remind us that here there is a changing rule or there is an iqlab here, so we should change the noon into a meme already. Now we'll move to other symbols like the small three dots, which looks like a triangle. They are found on or in limited actually positions, as in Allah's statement, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. Here you are allowed only to stop on only one position. Don't stop on both of the words. Also, you aren't allowed to connect the words together. You are allowed only to stop on one of them, but don't connect all of them together, and don't stop on all of them or both of them. Now we'll move to the wave symbol, which is found on top of many words. So this wave symbol refers to that you should prolong more than the natural prolonging, or you should prolong the alif or waw or ya more than the natural prolonging, as in Allah's statement, إِذَا السَّمَاء. In the word as-sama, you will find on the top of the alif a small wave, so you should prolong more than the natural prolonging, 4 or 5 or 6 counts. Now we will move to the zero sign or the zero symbol. If you find the zero symbol on the top of some letters, this means that you should pronounce this letter if you stop. But if you connect the recitation, you will make it as a silent letter. As in Allah's statement, وَأَضَلُّونَ السَّبِيلَ. I pronounce the alif and it has zero because I have stopped. But if I connect the recitation, I will make the alif silent. وَأَضَلُّونَ السَّبِيلَ رَبَّنَا. وَأَضَلُّونَ السَّبِيلَ رَبَّنَا. I didn't prolong the alif because I connected the words together. But if you find it looks like the zero, but it is a circle. If you find a circle, you will make the letter which has the small circle as a silent letter, as in Allah's statement, وَإِذَا رَأَوْا تِجَارَةً أَوْ لَهْوًا. رَأَوْا. After the letter waw, you will find alif, and on the top of this alif there is a small circle. So if you find the small circle with any letter, you will make this letter a silent letter. To remember these symbols quickly and easily, if you find the letter jim or the small jim, remember the Arabic word jawaz, which means permissible to connect or stop. And if you find the symbol qili, remember the Arabic word qif, that it is preferred to stop. Or qif, that means stop, it is preferred to stop. And if you find the symbol sili, remember the Arabic word sil or wasl, so it is better to connect. That's all for today. I hope you have got some benefits. See you inshallah next time. Thanks for watching.